Hello YouTube viewers, my name is David Moore and today we are going to time out on technology and video games. Forget charging cords and frozen screens because the real world roars close by and is waiting to be conquered. No downloads, no updates, just pure unadulterated thrills. Unleash your inner engineer. Build, bend, and defy gravity. Turn your living room basement or even go outdoors to create your asphalt jungle. You can do this with at least one Hot Wheels car and track, even modifying the track using third-party vendors found on Amazon or Etsy. These links are in the description below, but it's certainly more fun racing cars with family and friends. Every curve, every jump, every loop is created in your own design. Innovation waits in every bend. The only limit is your imagination. For video insights, you can see additional indoor and outdoor races listed in the links below.
And in the bag.
After some track testing, let the races start.
You know what? We're going to go.
In this energetic action, Hot Wheels Group Fantasy, Eruption,
Reach in the
and
bag.
Hot Wheels 4 Track Fantasy
For the mojo.
will speed to the finish
going for the
line.
All right, go ahead, Mason.
Driven by Dad and Grandpa, Fantasy zooms past for the final win in 4 or 5 races. A blur of blue chrome
Well, he's
going
happy with
into
whatever
the
he
winner's
got.
circle.
All right.
I don't know.
Hot Wheels,
Ready?
more than just die-cast cars.
There you go.
It's a portal to endless possibilities. Fuel your
Okay,
imagination.
I am happy with
Reimagine
that
the
looks
road.
fast.
I'm happy
Just
with
build
this.
and race. If you have any track ideas, add a comment below. If you enjoyed this video,
We got.
click like and
Ooh,
whack the
that thing looks like
subscribe
a
button.
weapon.
No, dude.
Ooh.
Probably
Where's number 2? No, put number 2 up.
ready.
What's the matter for you?
Hey, Mason. Appreciate you being okay with coming in second.
Good sport.
Good sport.
One.